Ever wondered what's simmering beneath your favorite meals? Prepare to be captivated. In a mysterious forest centuries ago, our ancestors ignited a culinary revolution. But it wasn't just about food, it was a story of connection and survival. A touch, a meal shared, a bond created, the essence of humanity. Now, as you savor your favorites, brace for a shocking twist, a secret hidden in every bite. As we delve deeper into this enigmatic forest, imagine the secrets it holds, secrets that have shaped our relationship with food. Centuries ago, in this very wilderness, our ancestors gathered around crackling fires. It was here that something extraordinary happened. Amidst these shadows, they discovered the power of transforming raw ingredients into culinary masterpieces. It wasn't just about nourishment, it was an alchemical moment where they harnessed the magic of fire. The sizzle of ingredients meeting the flames, the aroma that enveloped them, it was the birth of something beautiful. Today, chefs worldwide continue to draw inspiration from this ancient dance of fire and flavor. But there's more to this story. As time marched forward, the culinary revolution ignited by our ancestors continued to evolve. Across the world, cultures flourished, each weaving their unique flavors and techniques into the tapestry of food history. From humble beginnings, we witnessed the rise of culinary legends and iconic dishes that tantalized our taste buds. Food markets bustled with life, the air filled with the aroma of exotic spices, and every meal became an adventure. The world embraced its rich culinary heritage, celebrating diversity on every plate. But here's the twist: the journey of our favorite meals holds secrets that will change the way you see them forever. Amidst this culinary tapestry, a shadow has emerged. A consequence of our insatiable appetite for convenience and abundance. Our desire for more has led to deforestation, sprawling factory farms and overfishing, creating a darker side to our favorite meals. The hidden costs are staggering: forests vanishing, ecosystems collapsing, and species teetering on the brink of extinction. And let's not forget the staggering waste and pollution generated by our food systems. It's a stark reality that tugs at our conscience. Yet in this darkness, there's a glimmer of hope. Our choices can make a difference. In the midst of these challenges, a growing movement is sowing the seeds of change. Sustainable farming practices, responsible fishing, and eco-friendly innovations are reshaping our food landscape. Farmers markets thrive, organic produce shines, and communities rally around local, sustainable food sources. It's a movement driven by individuals making mindful choices, choosing quality over quantity. And here's the revelation: your favorite meals can still be savored, guilt-free, and with a clear conscience. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to savoring your beloved dishes while embracing a brighter future. Let's embark on a journey towards a more sustainable future. Chefs worldwide are crafting delectable, sustainable dishes that respect both tradition and the environment. Farmers markets flourish, connecting communities with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Individuals like you are championing sustainable choices, sparking a global movement for change. It's a path towards a planet teeming with life, where the forests stand tall, the seas teem with abundance, and our favorite meals are guilt-free. So hit subscribe and then uncover the delicious secrets to savoring your favorite meals while nourishing our world. As our journey through the secrets of your favorite meals comes to a close, remember the profound stories hidden in every bite. You have the power to make a difference with each choice you make, to create a world where flavor thrives without compromise. From sizzling kitchens to vibrant markets, people like you are driving this delicious revolution. Together we can nourish our world, one meal at a time, and leave a legacy that future generations will savor. Remember, every bite you savor can be a step towards a brighter, more sustainable future. If you found this journey as inspiring as we did, don't forget to share this video to spread the message of sustainability. Because together, we can make every meal a celebration of taste and conscience.